Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a soft background gradient. Start by selecting the gradient tool from the toolbar, then choose a soft pastel gradient from the preset list. Drag the gradient across the canvas to set the base. Also adjust the angle to control how the colors blend. Add a slight blur to smoothen the transition. Place a near layer above and set it to soft light. Apply another gradient for depth. Reduce the opacity to maintain softness and add highlights using a radial gradients. Lower the intensity for a natural glow. Also add shadows with a subtle dark gradient. Adjust brightness levels carefully. Blend everything with a final overlay gradient. Make small tweaks